Hello guys, welcome to Coolcraft, and today we are going to be building disconnects knife. You can use it, you can build it, you can do everything you want with it. You can even throw it.
Whoa! Seriously, you almost hit me! You need to leave. No more.
Oh, you whoopsie, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll leave, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you better leave. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Seriously, he tries to make a video without me? Anyways, we are going to be building Connect's knife today. Hopefully we don't have any more hiccups. Today I've decided to switch things up, and we're just going to show you exactly how to build them, okay? Like, let's start it out. Instead of doing a piece count, because I think my piece counts are pretty annoying, you know, because they take forever, and, you know, you kind of can see how many pieces you need. Okay, so basically this thing right here, build this. Just so you can see. Build this thing right here. Like that, you know. Okay. Once you got that done, set it off to the side, and pause if you need to get the pieces and all that. This thing, it's built like this. Okay, once you got that done, build 2 of these. Okay, that's what I got here, 2 of them. Now build this thing, which is kind of like the bridge of the knife. So it's 2 of these, then 6 of these, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then another 3, 2 of these, and then 1 of those. So, I actually think there's supposed to be more over here. Yeah, this is the correct spacing. But I think you're going to need like 27 of these throughout the whole thing, so. And then, after you got that done, build this part, okay? It's pretty simple, except for this one. This one's backwards, okay? It's a bendy piece at the bottom. It's one of the really long bendy pieces. You know, like this long, you know? It's one of these big ones. And just put these things through the center on this one. It very carefully make sure you count out the spaces in these. I'll let you sit there for a second so you can count. Okay. Once you got all those pieces done, it's time for assembly. You're going to need an extra 2 of these, and another 2 of these right here. Okay, so you need 4 extras, besides what I've shown you right here. And by the way, make sure that you add these kind of bits right here. Make it a lot easier. I hope you like this new format of video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. So now it's time for assembly. Okay, first part is the handle. Handle's kind of difficult, that's why I'm doing it first. Basically, this piece is what you want to start with, and 2 of these. Let's do these 2, because they look more like pins. Okay, so basically what you do is you put one of these right here, and then the other one goes here. Okay? Now this is where it gets difficult, okay? Because you gotta put this like that, okay? It holds like that, and then you gotta snap it on like that. So this one here, and then this one here. It's really difficult to do that. I'm pretty strong, and I even have difficulty, okay? So it's kind of difficult to do that. Next part is just this one. Do the same thing, except for here and here. Make sure that these pointy bits are pointing up. That's very important, and that this red piece is also pointing that way. So back first, like that. Snapped it in. Front, like that. Okay. Now let's just set this aside. That's the handle. One more thing. You gotta add these pieces right here. These are mostly for aesthetics. The knife will still work and look cool without them, but, you know. Yeah. So, connect them up like this. And now you have a super cool knife handle that you can use to stab your friends. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Yeah. And I was wondering, guys, do you want me to make a sheath for this knife? Something to put the knife in? I was thinking about doing that, but I figured it would make this video too long. Like all my other videos are always really, really long. And it seems like people can only watch about 15 minutes worth of video. Max. So this is how you put this together. So you connect it up like this. Sorry, my hands are moving faster than I'm speaking. But these 2 pieces, make sure that that double-ended bit is at the end. Okay? So basically, first thing is connect that there. Put that in there. This one here. This one here. Like that. Now you have the knife blade. Good job. Now, this is another difficult part. This thing is kind of difficult to build. I don't know if you can see, but there's a piece right here. That piece, make sure that you got this as pushed out as possible. Okay. Push it in. It should click. And then the last one, you take this piece off. Put it in like that. Then put that right back on top. And that is how you build the K'NEX knife. Just a few disclaimers. I'm not responsible for any injuries at all that this design may inflict upon anybody or anybody thinking it's real. So don't make this if you're questionable about that stuff. Don't play with it outside. Okay? And yeah, that's basically it. So, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Put my next video right here when it comes out. If it's not out yet, I'm just going to put a random video there. And my last video right here, a really cool K'NEX gun. It's actually the first part of that series. If you haven't seen it yet, hope you watch it. So, and that's basically that. Hopefully this is out on Sunday. It probably won't be, because today's Sunday. So, I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Check out my friend Dr. Hero's channel out. It's going to be in the description. My friend's Dr. Hero's channel is going to be in the description. Check him out. Don't subscribe to him. I'm trying to get it to 1,000 subscribers before him. Kind of a PewDiePie kind of style battle. But I'm going to win. I already have over 200 more than him. He only has like 9 or 10, something like that. So, if you would, check him out. So, yeah. And he's the one that he's speaking about when he says, my friend's going to hate me for this video. I made his intro as well, and I made this video's intro. So, I hope you enjoyed. Please click my videos right here. Click them. Why haven't you done that yet? Click his videos. By the way, this is a model from Instructables. Just making a tutorial for it. Sorry, not very original, but I just really like this design. Changed a few things, barely any, but I hope you enjoyed, and as always, goodbye!